There's no peace. There will be no peace in our country. Nnamdi Kanu comes out. There will be no peace again in our country. Samonepa comes out. Anybody that comes with peace again, I will accept you people. No, the only labor for that peace must go down. I don't ever want to walk on idea. Well, I don't know how let me believe. I don't let me. Don't let when no get on them. What you call it down there?
Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Gist TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone, wherever you are listening to us today, being 16th of August 2025, live and direct from Biafra land with the Magnetic Gist TV is bringing this news to you. Hear the news in details. Gentle the Yahoo is not happy with one man called Eddie Ahono from Ako. Eddie Ahono from Ako invited the Musa guys in Ako, and according to Gentle the Yahoo, Eddie Ahono is responsible for all the houses that is being burned down in Ako and all the people that is being buried in Ako by the Asari and the Musa guys.
At this time, my brother, Mwogi, achọwa ikwu gị chọwa ibe gị. Mwogi, nta gị cham, aṅụ ma ọbara gị, achọwa ikwu gị chọwa ibe gị. Because unu emerugo m ihe. Abatara m ala akụ egbughị m anybody. Abatara m ala akụ achụghị m enyi nwa afọ akụ. Abatara m ala akụ egbughị m anybody la ala akụ. Until unu awa akwa plan na wee gbuo ma senior brother n'owu. Enweghị onye o mejọrọ. Unu eche na ọ ya adịrị unu izi. Ọ mandịlọtakwa izi o ka ngwu na eziokwu. Ana onye kwere ka Eddie Ahono disi igbo ya. My brother ka ngwu na eziokwu. Ihe Nigeria government lụrụ alụtanwughị. Britain, France, they fought me, they didn't succeed. Ọwụrụ akụ ya alụ wee lụta ya. Ọkwa na unu file na unu ya lụta nwunye good and fine. Ka echi atọ ya echigha ya onye merie ọwụrụ odegwu. Because afọ m na kịta unu tọnụ ziri ya na onye gburu nwanne ya bụzi odegwu. Onye mere ibe ya ọ bụrụ odegwu. Ada ma aka m na Eddie Ahono na-ada egwu. Eddie Ahono is a small boy. I have nothing in common with him. Come out and fight my boys. Who are your boys? Fulani Herdsmen is your boys. After the people of Ako bribe room, after the people Chinwando, if I start counting you people, Chinwando, Lofishi, Chinwando who know about a meeting, nyam 1.2 million naira. Come back to no kidnapper. Jessica Shueto no war enemy to Ako. And I came back, I fought for kidnapping of the people of Ako. Odoruna anya case you will make kidnapping la conquer. Who go pressure they include with the mother, pressure they include of the kidnapping. I made it clear to everybody. Now later on, I will say the enemy. I don't care, and I can never beg for anyone. Eddie Ahono to hell. Eddie Ahono to hell. To hell with your so-called amnesty. Thunder fire generation with that amnesty leku arababu kwegila amnesty thunder babu odekeda atojo na me be the Caliban. If you don't know me too well. Na me be the Caliban. One them man obara ge sok ma sok your blood. Adam make oku too much like ada bamba. Man I just from there up to there kan gwa ge ko shade. Owo na echaria today oya dekwara gela mma. Okwa na esi na man chare. Nnam you go ahead, you go hell, you go to hell. With your amnesty and order, with your Nigeria, mpage was in Nigeria. Nage begidela kwa where that stroke, still yet take an always usuary. Nage begidela kwa with this condition of that stroke, but again, where there for neck and always usuary, it can deceive and deceive. It's in Kawela Lagos, you got merged to meeting. My brother can go to like Promio Kulala. Well, Kukwa, Kada Bakushalade, Okuba, Okumolo, Okumawa, Okanato, one day, any army penetrating Alako, Sinada Bril Alako. The life of Ako Gaga, Laya here, Alacharamia, Ako Gati and Doha. Any bloody civilian, any individual from Rosa Alako, when the Mabato was here to sell you, una confirm on them. Imona Monuname because of number trouble the joy. Kamala Munamuro, Unani Zuzuari. And what much to say about Onya Yawakabara. This is only message when you drop room. Until Biafra, until Nnamdi Kanu, you people can never hear my voice again. You people can never see me again. Omo aka Gentle. Obuonya Gwendola Toyoto. I love my people so much. And my people want me very belanki bazo achitam chere ha. Onye la confirm oko shade. Ala ko ga confirm desert. Ala ko ya weju oti mo ofia. Mbili to ro tutu like this eh. Awako mo lo lile no la ala ko kore. Onye la confirm mba ya aranwa. After all unu bara ulo na moko. Unu born to down my father's house. Go my senior brother no. Ke no umerun. Ono we bu nwa okoko. Ono we mo yo choro kwai na wo bog wo ga ro nwa. Ah? Call the rubbish the hack. Nonsense life for the year. Call the mind I went la lako. Ah? Mbo la tiri peace we bia. Ke me peace call them ma. Why there is no peace? Ah? Why there is no peace? And you people are there deceiving yourselves. You people are there deceiving yourselves. Mbo lo ne di kere bia peace we na plan sala ko no issue bia work. Am fu konye ya bia for peace again. Thunder we no get brother about your auntie. There's no peace. There will be no peace in our country. Nnamdi Kanu comes out. There will be no peace again in our country. Samonepa comes out. Anybody that comes with peace again, I will accept you people no be here. Only labor for that peace must go down. I don't even want to walk on idea. Well, I don't know how let me believe. I don't let Thunder we no get on them. What you call it down there? Let them find out why I'm back. I want that wall. I keep as Arababu. Okay, things say you wise. I will tell you, say you be small boy, you know wise at all. Arababu kwege there. And me actually peace you abia. From peace, una thought all mumma the set here blaze. Back all mumma the okunu le me peace. I get kwaku peace and are happy. More agent are the happy na kwa mwito long ha na kwa hotala themselves. Onane la kokala fighting for the freedom. Na kwa hotala ha the set of people ebure go binya ha. Next one eburu war where that thought all mumma the set here blaze. Are we living at the home and you'll be galolo mad? Why setting the house of the people ablaze? Therefore, why burning the house of the people? Because your father's house has no wage. You have your grandfather's house. You have nothing to. It has no.
Gentle the Yahoo sent his boys to go and defend the land of Akko, of which they did a marvelous work yesterday. They buy so many Musa guys and they stopped a lot of them from entering Akko, of which they retreated and went back to their camp. Now, Gentle the Yahoo made this video sending a very big warning to Eddie Ahono and his likes, telling them to back off from whatever they are doing in Akko. Gentle the Yahoo also exposed how Akko people invited him in the first place to guide the security, to be the chief commander of security in Akko, of which, according to Gentle the Yahoo, he did a wonderful work by stopping the kidnappers and all these petty armed robbers from operating in Akko. And finally, the Akko people turned against him, trying to buy him. So Gentle the Yahoo sent this signal warning to Eddie Ahono that he will surely take revenge. How they buy his brother and how they burnt his father's house and so many things they did wrong to him. That this time around that he's going to fight back. That this time around that he's going to make sure that he bring down all the people that are fighting him. Guys, serious war is going on in Okigwe. You know, all the things started in Olu, in Imo State. From Olu is escalated down to Osu. Now it is Okigwe, all in Imo State. And we keep asking this question. Imo State is not the only state in Biafra land. In fact, Imo State is not the only state in Southeast. But why is it happening like this in Imo State? I believe the security chiefs of Imo State, I believe the people that matters in Imo State, they have to come and answer this question. What is going on in Imo State? Why are they so bent in bringing down Gentle? For Christ's sake, Biafra Liberation Army is not only in Imo State. They are in all the 40 states of Biafra. But not only Imo, Kampampa Nina na Akpa. Maka na ha chọrọ ka ha gbuo Gentle the Yahoo. Ha chọrọ ka ha gbuo Igwe Butuzo. Ha chọrọ ka ha gbuo NJ Makeup and other commanders. Bodike ụbọchị ihe ike mee achọwakwa dike. And ihe kpatakwanụ o ji wee dịka ndị a na-enwetakwanụ field wee na-emefe ha na-eme because na ndị kwesịrị ịnọ together were na-eme kishofu na a na-safeguard Biafra land na anụso onwe ha ọgụ dịka oge nkene Ngozi Orabueze and the Ada Diorama, and so many of them vam we go 247, so many of them fighting themselves on more. Why your people are being pied in homeland? You guys are in diaspora fighting on ourselves. This is not even the right time for all those fights. This is not even the right time for distraction. This is the right time to come together under one umbrella and make sure that this unnecessary buying in Biafran land stops.
And Limpa. You have a baby. Nice. You are the one. A very little child. You have one on a 4 junction cash. I gonna 90. So, Palapa, a bendy very bad. A bendiara and the Nigeria Zoo Gangawi. A very little child. A mod. Torucha. How they do? There are many of them. And now many of them die, lose their life. Nigeria terrorist zoo. Gotcha. Nga Chukwu Kabiama, the land of Chukwu Kabiama. Break the armored. Nga Chukwu. Bahụ Ebunigwe. Armored add her Nimenga. Ebe about up. Alekwe. All people for Biafra. The mania. The Biafra Liberation Army. Now, Nakandi, Nigeria terrorists. The Kwacha, Ganga. The second one. Ababra, to believe. Pandempa. Army to army. Nigeria Zoo versus Biafra soldier. Yesterday being 15th of August 2025. Yesterday, comment happened in Okigwe, in Okigwe State. Yesterday, Okigwe State. Even the other, better, really had that. Nga gbara hụ ụmụ Chukwu karịa ma ụmụ Biafra. The Biafra soldier. She ran her trap. This is trap. This is trap. Her trap or she ran. I'm not one who had the trap. Yesterday being 15th of August 2025. Okigwe. Live and direct. Nigeria soldier, the terrorists. Ha hụrụ ewa n'aka ndị Biafra Liberation Army. Biafra soldier. Men on ground. Men on ground stand gidigba. I gbara ahụ woto. They receive it woto. They receive it woto. They receive it woto. Pandempa. Nukwe ganga Ebunigwe. Drahava. Break the armored. Okay. I'm Biafra. Couldn't have Rango Ebunigwe Drahava. Break armored. Edgy picture. Mazen Igwe, the chief of Pale, Sani Pale, Joe, got lunch so after Bunny Wake, but I got lunch out draw Vava. I got lunch out draw Vava. Or draw Vava. I said tomorrow, no day. Queer. All me, live and direct. No be talk, no be go come. Hey, she Ibe Road, La Pataje, Arc. Biafra Liberation Army, Nick and Eben, Nick stand there, Gidibam, Anna Hebrew face. Soldier to soldier, army to army, weapon to weapon, gun to gun. It's Okigwe, almost to Kajam, almost Biafra. All me, direct in Okigwe State. All me, direct in Okigwe State. All me, direct in Okigwe State. All me, Pandimpa. Egad. Pandimpa, ndị ara na-efili na datna. N'ịnụ n'Okigwe. Ama na n'ewu. Ewu. Nwachukwu Kariama, the commander of Okigwe State, and Ilaga Ebob lecture Ega. Ilaga Ebob lecture Ega. Ebelile Omu Biafra Lile. All the whole barrack in Biafra land. Ilaga.
It is time to stop buying your brothers. It is time to bring peace to Igbo land. All we need is peace. Let there be peace in Biafra land. Let there be peace. Thank you, fans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Gix TV, for we remain the best. It is still happening live and direct in Okigwe. If you have your loved ones in Okigwe, please call them. Always make sure you shake upon them. Always make sure you shake on them. Are you getting me? Always make sure you shake on them. If there is any of them that you can take away from Okigwe, please do so. Do so until everything calms down, because life matters in everything. Thank you all. Bye.